Imagine opening your closet, feeling that familiar, beautiful spark of wanting to express your feminine side. But instead of feeling that sudden rush of anxiety or looking over your shoulder, you hear a warm, familiar voice behind you saying, "Hey, let's try that royal blue dress today, and let me show you a trick to cinch the waist just right." It sounds like an absolute dream, doesn't it? For so many folks in our community, especially those navigating the world of MTF crossdressing or exploring their trans-feminine identity, the biggest, heaviest mountain to climb is the fear of revealing their true self to their partner. We play out the worst scenarios in our heads, we worry about rejection, and we keep this vibrant, essential part of ourselves locked away in the shadows. But honestly, when you take that brave step, and when your wife truly accepts and embraces your journey, everything changes. It is not just a relief, it literally feels like walking right into a heaven on earth. Suddenly, you are not alone in the dark anymore. You have a partner, a confidant, and the ultimate style ally right by your side. Today on My Life, My Rules, we are diving deep into what happens when your marriage becomes your safest space, and how your wife's expert guidance can completely elevate your MTF style from hesitant experimenting to pure, confident perfection. Let's be real for a moment, sister to sister, friend to friend. Navigating feminine fashion when you didn't grow up with it is incredibly overwhelming. Women have had a whole lifetime, decades of trial and error, to figure out what works for their bodies. They've spent years decoding the mysteries of makeup, understanding fabric drape, figuring out which colors make their skin pop, and learning the sacred art of accessorizing. When you are starting out on your MTF styling journey, you are basically trying to cram 20 years of fashion school into a few secret hours, and that can lead to some pretty frustrating fashion mishaps. Maybe you bought a dress online that looked gorgeous on the model, but when you put it on, it made your shoulders look broader than you wanted, or maybe the fabric felt stiff and completely wrong. We've all been there, trust me. But when your wife steps in as your personal stylist, you get to bypass all those agonizing years of trial and error. You get a direct pass to the good stuff because she already holds the keys to the kingdom. Think about the magic of having someone who knows you inside and out looking at your style presentation with a loving, expert eye. She isn't just helping you put on clothes. She is helping you translate the woman you feel inside into a physical reality that makes you smile when you look in the mirror. And the very first place this magic happens is usually in front of the wardrobe. Most AMAB bodies have a different structural blueprint than cisgender women. We tend to have broader shoulders, narrower hips, and a longer torso. When we try to dress ourselves without guidance, our instinct is often to just grab the most hyperfeminine, frilly thing we can find because we want to feel as girlish as possible. But your wife knows the secret rules of proportion and silhouette. She understands how to create balance. She can look at you and say, listen, instead of that high-neck top which draws attention to your shoulders, let's try a deep V-neck or an A-line skirt. An A-line skirt adds volume to your lower half, which instantly balances your upper body and gives you that gorgeous, classic hourglass silhouette you are looking for. And let's not even get started on the absolute minefield that is women's clothing sizes. You can be a size 8 in one store, a size 14 in another, and a completely different size online. It is enough to make anyone want to give up and crawl back into a pair of baggy sweatpants. But your wife already navigates this chaotic world every single day. She can guide you through the confusing maze of fabrics and fits. She knows which materials have that beautiful, forgiving stretch, which fabrics drape elegantly over your frame, and how to find pieces that hug your curves in all the right places while softening the areas you might feel a bit self-conscious about. Having her guide you through each thing means you stop wasting money on clothes that sit in the back of the closet, and you start building a wardrobe that makes you feel powerful, beautiful, and authentic. Then comes the makeup. Oh boy, the makeup. For so many of us, our first attempts at makeup look less like a glamorous makeover and a bit more like a colorful abstract painting. Getting the foundation right, figuring out how to color correct a stubborn beard shadow, learning how to blend eyeshadow without looking like you got into a fight. It is hard work. It takes a level of precision that can feel impossible when your hands are shaking with excitement and nervousness. But when your wife accepts you and holds your hand through it, the makeup vanity transforms from a place of frustration into a sanctuary of laughter and connection. She knows the difference between a setting powder and a finishing powder. She can look at your undertones and instantly know if you need a cool, warm, or neutral foundation. Imagine sitting in a chair while the woman you love gently teaches you how to use a beauty blender, or shows you exactly where to apply blush to lift your cheekbones and soften your jawline. It is those little moments, the gentle strokes of a brush, the shared giggles when an eyeliner wing goes completely rogue, that turn a simple styling lesson into a profound experience of intimacy and love. What is so beautiful about this dynamic is that it completely redefines your relationship. It takes away the heavy burden of secrecy that poisons so many marriages. When you are hiding your crossdressing or your transition, there is a wall between you. But when that wall comes tumbling down and is replaced by acceptance, you enter a whole new era of partnership. You start living like a heaven because there are no more locked doors, no more hidden bags of clothes, and no more fear of getting caught. You get to share the simple, everyday joys of being women together. You can lounge around the house in matching silk robes, have pampering sessions where you paint each other's nails, and exchange honest fashion advice. Of course, it is important to remember that this beautiful, heavenly dynamic doesn't just happen overnight by magic. It requires immense vulnerability from you, and it requires a lot of patience, communication, and grace from both of you. When you share this side of yourself with your wife, it is a big adjustment for her too. She has to recalibrate her vision of the future and process her own feelings. The key to making this styling journey work so beautifully is to let her guide you at a pace that feels comfortable for both of you. Invite her into your world, show her how much you value her expertise, and make sure she knows that your love for her hasn't changed. Let her know that you aren't trying to replace her or compete with her. You are simply asking her to help you blossom. When she feels secure and valued, her natural instinct to nurture and support the person she loves takes over. And that is when she becomes your ultimate guide, leading you through every single step of your transformation with unmatched tenderness. Think about how empowering it is to walk out into your living room, fully dressed, and instead of feeling judged, you are met with a warm smile and a compliment. Your wife's guidance gives you a shield of confidence that nothing can break. When she helps you pick out the perfect wig that matches your face shape, when she helps you find heels that you can actually walk in without wobbling, and when she cheers you on, she is validating your right to express your true self. She is telling you that you are beautiful, that you are worthy, and that you do not have to hide who you are. If you are watching this today and you are still in hiding, or if you have just recently opened up to your partner, I want you to take a deep breath. Know that love, true, deep, unconditional love, has the power to create the most beautiful spaces for us to grow. When you find that acceptance, cherish it, lean into it, and let your partner guide you. You deserve to live your life by your own rules, beautifully, authentically, and with the person you love cheering you on every step of the way. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today on My Life, My Rules. If this video brought a little warmth to your heart or gave you some hope for your own styling journey, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps our community grow so we can keep supporting each other. I would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments down below. Share your experiences, tell us about your supportive partners, or share the best style tip your wife or ally has ever given you. Let's keep lifting each other up. Stay beautiful, stay true to who you are, and I will see you in the next video.